I love it.
Thank you, man.
You're doing it.
Cool. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, that's good. Real good.
Yeah, Bobby's got a lot of yeah, that's where you want the second one to be.
Oh, okay. Give it a couple minutes, Steve.
Steve, take this way so you can see the backdrop.
There it is.
Okay, so that's the new one.
Yeah, that's the Ace.
The Ace Pro.
Yeah, I love this thing, man. I really got it for low light, and it is outstanding in low light.
Yeah, I've seen people make videos of the thing, and in that regard, it doesn't blow its a GoPro away.
I don't want to get in the front.
I don't want to block anybody either. Yeah, go over here. There you go. Yeah, I know.
He's walking in.
Set up like, okay.
Joe's faster.
Yeah. Some guys, I know guys that are good and they never get over motion sickness. Like they have to stand or sit. You know, they're very sensitive. Right. I've had guys that.
Oh, yeah.
That FPV guy is the new?